everybody. Today I am taking a class in constructor. Constructor is a very important topic in object-oriented language, and constructor actually what is a constructor? Constructors are used to initialize the value, and the number of times we have created the object, that number of times the constructors are invoked internally automatically, and in constructors you can pass how many parameters you want, you can pass. Okay, that term is called constructor overloading, but you cannot return any value to the constructor. Okay, like that. These are the important points which you have to remember in constructor. Constructor is a very important concept in object-oriented language. It comes in all the languages: Java, Python, C++, C#. Now I show you some small program in constructor which are done in Visual Studio Code. Okay. Now I will open the constructor file. Here I will show you the program. See, this is what what is the meaning of hash? This for commenting a line. I am telling this for commenting Python class constructor. Then I am calling a class addition. Here I am commenting this one. This is for declaring a constructor. Okay, init is for declaring constructor. Self is here we are assigning one same variable to the existing variable. Okay, what are the variable passing to the function? That is called instance variable. And here right side variable indicates value, left side indicates the declaration. Okay, self is for where same variable we are declaring for value and as a variable. And coming to the next one function is for finding the sum of numbers. So self means we are not passing any parameter. If we want to show the function as empty, that is we are telling self. In C we say void no like that. And here I am using self for calculating the two numbers, and the result is stored in S and returning, and what will be returned to the find sum function. And here I am creating an object, and object I am assigning the object with the class and passing the parameter. Since I pass the parameter to the constructor, since I declare the parameter to the constructor, that parameter I am passing, that value I am passing to the object. Okay, using the this one constructor. Okay, in the constructor I am passing the values where the declaration is done. Okay, now I am passing two sets of values. Since I am calling two objects, like that how many objects you are calling, that number of values you can pass. And here what I am telling, here one object I am assigning. Here I am assigning the object to the I am calling the object 1 to the function, and assigning that result is assigned to the variable. And in one more statement what I am doing, that I am calling object with the function. One I am assigning object with the function and storing the variable result variable S1. In the second what I am doing, that I am adding the object with the and calling object with the function. Okay. Now here what I am doing, I run the program. Click on this one. See here what now in the first what is showing. This is assigning the result to the variable, and the second statement it's calling directly object with the function. Okay, this is how we use constructor in Python. Okay, thank you.